What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I told you guys I was going to try to stay consistent with it. I am still waiting on the turbo for the 240, but I have a few other parts to put on. I have this brand new wiring specialties harness. I haven't put on yet because I've been waiting for... I ordered a coolant temp sensor because this one's for a 96 plus model S14 and my car is a 95. So that's a different plug. I didn't want to cut this and put my own on there because this is obviously brand fucking new. So I'm just waiting on that plug. But I'm going to put this in anyway because obviously the car can't start, so I got the new turbo in. The best part of this whole harness is I'm running 300ZX math and it has this beautiful jumper harness. So if I wanted to, I could still use this harness with OEM math if I just ordered the jumper harness part for the OEM math too. So that's pretty cool. I like that a lot. But other than that, like, this thing is gorgeous. Like, there's literally, like, it looks perfectly OEM. I'm so excited to be able to, like, run all these little clips and everything, put it back to exactly how it needs to be mounted, so it's not dangling anymore. Like these right here, all this right here, beautiful, man, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. No zip ties required. So very excited about that. Once the turbo comes in, there will be obviously a video of that, and by that time, car should start. Because I had to order a new wideband gauge too, because I think wideband sensor. Mine shit itself at the event. I started going haywire and just froze. So I'm pretty sure the sensor just... So yeah, we have a bunch of videos planned. So y'all stay tuned. So I'm about to go outside and get to work. Alright, as you know, we have to unhook the whole harness. Get everything out. The hardest part is going to be whatever's in the interior, pulling it out. So that's what I'm not looking forward to. Because, let's see here. As everybody knows, I gotta, let's see here. I gotta unhook the ECU. Or central B. I need to actually get that mounted too. It's just weird how it's all set up. It's like an S13 ECU with the jumper harness. So whatever. But yeah, I gotta get all this stuff and pull it through the firewall. And that's gonna be a pain in the ass. So I gotta take the glove box off, a few other things. So I'll get back to you in a second. So I forgot how pain in the ass this really is, but I did get ECU out, obviously, that's the easy part. And I got all this other bullshit hooked. I mean, this is some of my wire shit, so don't worry about all that shit. This car is beautiful. So now, for the fun part, I gotta try to wiggle all this shit out of the hole. Plus I have like my vacuum line ran through there and a few other things, so I gotta make sure I don't fuck all that shit up. So hopefully this doesn't go bad. Let's see how it goes. Success. But honestly, wasn't that bad. Honestly, not as bad as I imagined. I might have cut my hand a little bit, but that's just normal. But yeah, got it out. Let's see. I got all this out. So now it's gonna unhook all the harness and pull it out. And the new one goes in. Fuck yeah, this is the old harness. Let me get the old harness out, the new harness on top of the car. So now I gotta work that one in there and make it look all pretty. Then I'm gonna have these new connectors. I'm gonna try to get all this shit all nice and wired up somehow, make it not hanging around with my vacuum lines and shit. Oh, I can't wait for this new harness to be in though. It's gonna be way nicer. Going on the wall with the rest of the shit. Yeah.
Yeah, bunch of 240 bullshit. Also, I'm going to switch the pulleys on this lawnmower. We already took the governor off of it. And I'm going to switch the pulleys on it. And we're going to do some cool shit with it too. I got to put this whole area through the thing. That's going to be a pain in the ass, but we'll get it done. Alright, got it through the hole. That was a real pain in the ass, especially by myself. I definitely need somebody else here next time I do something like this. But I gotta work it down. Everything's like, all this shit's obviously hanging down awkward as fuck. So I gotta work with that as much as I can. It's a real pain in the ass, but let's get it done. I'll back in 1 second. I never want to do it again. So hopefully I never have to replace the harness again. Because with all the heater core and AC shit, it's a pain in the fucking ass. But it would have been easier if I have a friend here. But everybody's busy today. I'm off early. So, but I got it all through. I got everything all through. I just got to get it all plugged in now. I kind of did some wire management in here because this shit needs to be cleaned up anyway. I have been totally slack on doing that. This thing needs to be vacuum cleaned. But yeah, it's definitely gonna be dope. So let me. On this side, I gotta get it all ran and plugged in, but that will be super fucking easy. And yeah, so let's get that done. So it's all pretty much ran where it needs to run. Not plugged in yet, but it's all ran to about where it needs to run. But I'm going to show off this cool shit right here. They even put the OEM, this little clip piece that hooks on top of the fuel rail. Look at that. Clips right in. Looks fucking beautiful. Now I gotta get all this shit plugged in. I gotta tuck some of these wires right here. These are all my emission shit that I deleted already. No need for all that. And run it along. I'm excited for these right here. Look at this. There we go. Make sure this ain't in the way. That one's broken off in there, but I'll get that one fixed up. It'll go right there. Look at that. That looks gonna look beautiful. So I got everything ran pretty much. It looks awesome. It felt good to actually have plugs that actually plug again. All my plugs on the old beat up harness are all like pretty much broken and none of them plug right, so you probably have bad connection. Had a problem a while back with the wiring issue where the bad ground. It was a terrible ground, like the thermostat ground, and the car was running like shit. So now, with everything, I mean, it runs really good. I mean, it has all these OEM clips. Like, I would definitely recommend this. I bought this when Jimmy Oaks had his like the discount code and everything. And I know I needed it because this ground right here is the one I was talking about that had the bad ground and it made my car run like shit. I mean, all this shit is like OEM spec. Beautiful. It runs great. Like even this OEM clip right here. So I gotta plug all this shit in over here. Oh, this is for the new O2 sensor too, I think. Yeah. Oh well, we'll figure it out. But I'm running wideband anyway. The 300ZX stuff is so pretty. Can't wait to get all that stuff on. Oh, she's barking at birds again. But yes, so I'm waiting on turbo coolant sensor because this one is the wrong plug. There's the old one, so it's different. But waiting on coolant sensor, wideband sensor, and my new turbo should be here in the next couple days, and then can put it all back together. That'll be another video. And then there'll be more videos after that. Hopefully that day the car runs, because it should, because it was running fine. Plus I gotta clean all the intercooler shit. And that's not very fun, but
has to be done, so whatever. But if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for next one. See you next time.